Welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping at Home Depot. We're going to be looking at the tool deals that they have. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTubers are platform by subscribers and likes, so help us out. Very interesting how they have the toolboxes there in the front. And they have some more toolboxes there. It's just weird how they have them in the exits. They want to get you before you go out. So $2.99. You got a 5.2 gallon air compressor. Maximum horsepower, 3 horsepower. $149 for this 21 degree pneumatic framing nailer. Then you got this 1 3/4 coil roofing nailer. $179. 15 degree. Then you got the buy one get one free. If you buy these saws already come with 2 batteries. You get 2 more extra batteries. If you return the batteries, you get this saw for like $150 something. Definitely worth it. Check it out. Not a lot of stores have these already. They're already sold out. This is one of the few stores that have them, so just keep that in mind. And that's the reciprocating saw. And then you got those 2 free batteries, 5 amp hour batteries that you're gonna get, and you can return to get the saw cheaper. They're still running this deal. If you could find any of these tools or batteries, you got the fan for $119. You get a free 5 amp hour battery. You got the sander for $129. The oscillating tool for $129. The impact wrench for $149. The router for $199, and then the nail gun for $299. And like I said, they're already sold out at this store. Most of the stores are already sold out, but if you're lucky, you can find it. And you got this 2-tool combo kit, $159. That's it right there. It comes with the drill and comes with the oscillating tool. That is one of the better oscillating tools in my point of view. I do own that oscillating tool. It's like the best tool ever, within the cheaper price ranges. And they got this nut sellers here, or nut drivers, from DeWalt. And then they got these for $19.97. These are countersink sets. It's a 3-piece. So it's a rapid load quick change accessory, as you guys see there. And then you got the Atomic Compact Series drill. It is the hammer drill for $129. It does come with the 2 batteries to charge on a bag. And then you got, this is the other side of those deals. You got a 6 and a 4 from DeWalt. And then you got $3.99 for the 3-tool combo kit with the impact wrench. That is a high torque impact wrench. The batteries are $149. Like I said, it was a 4 and a 6, a 2-pack. And that's the 3-tool combo kit down there. You got the 21 piece combo kit there for $19.97. It's the black and gold oxide. This is middle grade type of bits. Personally, I like the titanium bits. I don't like the black and gold. And then this is another something that catch my attention. A fastback 6-in-1. I think this is a really nice tool. I do have the previous version of this. The one that doesn't come, it comes with the spares in there. But this is a really nice. Comes with the screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver set there. Husky utility knife. This is something I never seen before. Retractable utility knife. Push blade design, quick blade change, return, thin lightweight, fall back retraction, thumb control, instant access to 2 different blades. So you got all that into that little cramped space. You got this impact driver for $79 on clearance. Make sure you guys check the prices. Every store is different. Sometimes they don't want to upgrade their prices, so it's worth it to check them. You got the blower there. It doesn't have a price. I tried looking for it. No price on that. So you guys might want to look at that. See that job site blower or the table. You got these gloves for $12.97. I believe there's a pack of 3 pairs. You got a Milwaukee saw, $249 on clearance. Like I said, you might want to check the prices on all these if you see them in your store. You got the sander from Makita, $119. Got some more gloves from Makita, or Milwaukee, my bad. Some more gloves there, covered with latex there, or rubber. You got 160 for the hammer drill, was 199. That is the kit right there. 2 batteries to charge in a bag. It does come with the handle. And these are on sale, guys. There's really good deals on these. $5.60, $5.60, $5.97 for the longer bits there. And then $5 for those. And then $3.70 for the socket adapters. And then this, guys, this is a new tool. Well, not new, but you know, it's newer to me. Check this out. It's like the right angle drill, but you can put in like an attachment on the side, like a handle. $24.97. It's a really nice. And it's shorter than this one. This one's the older one. So it just depends. There's more stuff you can do with the other one. Then they got these, the 3 amp hour batteries on octane on sale. So if you run into those in your Home Depot, pick them up. And guys, this is the last, I believe the last week. This or the next one's the last week. So this is about to end. Make sure you guys get this deal, the $4.99 deal. You get $150 off. So you have to get it to closer to $500 so you guys could get the $150 off, which is a great smoking killer deal. Make sure you guys check them out. And I heard already about the new deals that are coming from, I guess we're gonna get like a battery kit and you get a free tool. So you buy like a $2.99 battery kit. I don't know what kind of batteries. I heard it online. I just haven't paid attention because I've been super busy at work. But I know the next deal that they're gonna have is like a battery deal from Milwaukee. So I'll be sure to stay tuned and subscribe for all those deals. You got the 2 batteries there. You got a 3 and what is that? 8. A 3 and an 8 pack, and then you got this DeWalt for $65. The medium boxes, the larger boxes. You got this nice. This is really nice actually. Construction capacity storage drawers, lights, caster sides. 428. The Husky 46-inch 9 drawer. Comes with all these colors. Yeah, this thing is really nice. I wish it'd go on sale. They somehow Husky ended up upgrading all their boxes, and they're really nice now. Some of them are really nice. And then you got this. This is the impact wrench at 3/8. It's a subcompact 18 bolts from Rigid. Then you got the multi-material saw, $79. Subcompact, not too bad. $179 for the brushless combo 2-tool combo kit with 2 amp hour batteries, 2 amp hour batteries. It says 30% lighter weight. Then you got the Rigid Vac 14 gallon wet and dry. It's one of the bigger ones, $99.97. Exclusive. You got the what is that? The grease gun or adhesive or caulk gun, whatever you want to call it. $79. Then you got a drywall cutoff tool. $59. Somebody honking the horn next door. I just hate that when I'm recording. And that's the grease gun right there. Anyways, that's it for today, guys. Just wanted to share this with you guys. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.